In a whole life, people all feel like succeeding, while success is not the most important. It's supposed to be filled with several essential factors. First, have a healthy body. This can make you avoid suffering from the pain of illness. Without health, everything is like floating clouds. Second, ensure that you have the right views, which is worldview, values, and outlook on life. Having this can enable you to be full of a clear view when you face a confusion about life. Third, have the ability to have a better understanding of the happiness. You will not have a sense of the loss about time. Fourth, have a state of stable emotion so that you can take responsibility for those people who love you when you are in a difficult situation and will not make them sad.